Welcome to yet another video from Talmera Academy. So today we'll be looking at how to write a powerful LinkedIn About section. And before we go into the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And in the comment section, you can always tell us the content or the type of content you want us to produce. Your LinkedIn About section is one of the most important parts of your profile. Yet, most professionals either leave it blank or write something too generic. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to write a powerful About section that gets recruiters interested in you. The first step is start with who you are. Begin with a short intro, who you are professionally. For example, instead of I am an accountant, write I am an accountant with 3+ years of experience in financial reporting and tax compliance. This is not only telling the people who you are, but it's also strong and comes off as the intro for someone who is very confident and knows what they're doing on LinkedIn. The next step is highlight skills and expertise. So you showcase your top skills. Use keywords recruiters like to search. For example, skilled in budget analysis, audit preparation and financial modeling. This makes your profile more discoverable. Some of the keywords here include budget analysis, audit preparation and financial modeling. No matter the industry where you find yourself, it's very important that your About section is jam-packed with keywords, and the keywords should not just be random, but they should be keywords that are tailored with what you're looking for exactly. Because if your keyword is just random, you're already getting into a mess. Step 3, add achievements. Don't just list skills, show us results. Instead of handled payroll, say processed payroll for 200 employees with 100% accuracy and improved efficiency by 20%. This gives a quantifiable actions or a quantifiable measure of what you actually did. Don't just list the skills, show us results, because that's what we want to see. The last and final step, which is step 4, end with a call to connect. So finally, close your About section with human touch. Invite people to connect with you. You could say something like, I'm always open to connecting with professionals in finance, audit and accounting to share insights and opportunities. This makes you stand out in the job market. Your About section is well optimized and very powerful. So here is a full example of a strong About section for an accountant. I am a result-driven accountant with 3+ years experience in financial reporting, tax compliance and audit preparation, skilled in budget analysis and financial modeling. I have helped companies improve reporting accuracy by 20% and streamline payroll processes. I am passionate about delivering reliable financial solutions and always open to connecting with professionals in finance and business. This makes you stand out. And that's how you write a strong About section. If you want a personalized LinkedIn profile setup or optimization, Talmera can always help you. Check the link in the description or join our WhatsApp community to get started today. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.